What up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jude, and some months ago I made a video on how I made 14 million naira from 20,000 naira monthly, and this is a follow-up on that video. The strategy I use is what we call dollar cost averaging. In other words, you have an amount you want to invest in, say Bitcoin, Ethereum, or maybe other coin. Instead of putting that coin all at once, you just divide them across all the months, and every month you buy a particular coin irrespective of the price. Now this makes your risk, reduces your risk drastically, and you get to, in the long run, make good money. But know that this is not a financial advice. What I'm trying to do is just to show you what I do exactly, and this is a follow-up because Binance now has what we call the Auto-Invest, and it makes this strategy even juicier. All right, because the money you are putting into the Auto-Invest goes straight to the Binance flexible saving. In other words, you are earning some APY on this, and this is actually a game changer because it's doing the dollar cost averaging for you, and it's also investing that money into the flexible saving where it's generating more fund from you. And peradventure that in a particular month you don't have enough fund for it to take to buy the coin you have chosen, what will happen here is that it will take the profit from the flexible saving to invest. If it's not enough, it now waits to the next month or the next day, or depending on how you have set this up. So what I will do right now is just share my phone and show you how to do that. So guys, I'm going to go to my Binance account right now. Then on the home page, all right, you see this Auto-Invest. It's a new feature. So this is the Binance saving, and this is Auto-Invest. So there are only 3 coins you can actually invest in right now, or you can perform this strategy with right now. So it's BNB, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. So these are really strong cryptocurrencies you can invest in. Now there is some historical ROI here, which is actually a very important data. So it's saying in the last 3 years the BNB coin has done 2,839% in profits. The last 1 year is 401%. The last 6 months is 3%, and the last 3 months is 36%. So the same thing with Ethereum, it shows you that data. I think I love the way it's doing this. The plan I want to create is for BNB. All right, I want to keep on compounding the BNB I have, and this, I say, it goes straight to the flexible saving. So I'll click on create plan. Then I can invest using USDT or BUSD, and I want to do that using USDT. So what I would do here is to enter the amount I want to use for the dollar cost averaging. The minimum is $10. So let me do $30, and I want to do this every week. So every week $30 is taken out from my USDT to be used to buy Bitcoin, and this goes straight to my flexible saving to generate me more return on investments. So then I can choose when should it happen, Monday through Sunday. I have to choose. I think I prefer Sunday, so I click on Sunday. Then the time, you can also choose the time. Maybe let me do 6 a.m. on Sundays. This happens on Sundays. And use flexible saving balance. So if I have flexible saving balance, I can use that. You can choose to enable that. Then I'll click on confirm. So guys, you can see that I have one plan that is ongoing. So on Sunday by 6 a.m. it's going to take out USDT and invest it in Bitcoin. So this is how you create this. You can create for BNB, Ethereum, and Bitcoin for now. Other questions you might ask include, these are other frequently asked questions that you can go through to understand more about the Binance Auto-Invest. Okay guys, this is how you use the Binance Auto-Invest to do your dollar cost averaging. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video. If you have not, seriously, like this video. It helps us to grow the channel and encourage us to do more awesome videos like this. And don't forget to share and subscribe if you have not, and click on that bell icon so you get notified when my next video is out. That said, I'll see you in the next video. you.